So what funerals and making money online have in common is so bizarre, but extremely effective. Now, before I tell you, I want to give you full permission to trash me in the comments if you think I'm talking nonsense. So yesterday I went to the strangest funeral ever. Here I'm cruising down the highway, listening to the radio, and then I heard an ad. Some university is offering online matric courses for adults at $1,200 per month over an 18-month period. Now some strange thoughts popped in my head. I can see the appeal in that because it's self-improvement and having a matric certificate might have some benefits. But you are, and for the lack of a better word, wasting a year and a half just to get to a fraction of the level of an unemployed person. There are unemployed people with university degrees. You are $22,000 out of pocket and you have a very slim chance to find a job, to make some of that money back. Where you could have started earning money from the get-go with the Earn While You Learn affiliate program. And you could already be earning more than a full-time salary in 6 months at a fraction of the price. Then once you've acquired the skill, you would never have to be unemployed again, as there are hundreds of thousands of companies desperately looking for affiliates and will hire you on the spot without a CV. So click on the link in my profile or leave me a comment and I will show you the best one.